Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if your WhatsApp account has been cloned or hacked. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look through your chat list for any unfamiliar messages or activity, such as messages that were sent or received without your knowledge. If you spot anything strange, it could be a sign that your WhatsApp account has been hacked or cloned. Now, let's move on to the next method to check if your account has been compromised. Tap on the three dots menu at the top right of the screen, then select Link Devices from the pop-up menu. If you're using an iPhone, tap on Settings in the bottom right corner. Here, you'll see a list of all devices linked to your WhatsApp account. For example, I once discovered that my WhatsApp account had been accessed from a Windows computer using the Google Chrome browser. You'll also be able to see the last active time for each device. If you notice any unfamiliar devices that you didn't log into, simply tap on the device name and select Log Out from the pop-up menu. Another important sign that your WhatsApp has been compromised is if you suddenly receive a verification code via text message. This means someone is attempting to access your account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.